Hello, my name is Pedro Sayas, owner of Model-Based Development Applications LLC. In this tutorial series, I wanted to show you how to use the model-based design methodology to develop graphical user interfaces and other applications, for example, mobile apps. Model-based design, or MBD, allows us to develop software without writing a lot of code or learning complicated text-based programming languages. In this part of the series, I wanted to show you how to install the tools that we will need for the rest of this tutorial. Okay, I won't lie to you. The tools that we're going to install today are expensive. However, if you're fortunate, you might have access to the most expensive pieces through your company or university. And also, if you're a tinkerer working on personal projects, you might be able to get home licenses as steep discounts. The first tool we need to install is MATLAB version 2013b or newer. The installation process might be different for you, so we will not go into much detail. We will use version 2018a, which is the latest version at the time of this recording. In order to follow the tutorials, you will need to install Simulink and Stateflow. Additionally, you will need Embedded Coder for code generation and target deployment, but this is only optional. Keep in mind that these MATLAB toolboxes may depend on other toolboxes, so those will also have to be installed. For example, you might need to install the MATLAB Coder and Simulink Coder in order to be able to use the Embedded Coder. Next, you will need to install our EasyGUI Sim block set. To do this, we need to go to www.mbdapps.com. Click on the free download link, which will take you to the EasyGUI Sim product page. Click Add to Cart. Fill in the information and click Place Order. You only need to enter your name and email address, no payment information required. Once the order is processed, you should see a download link. Click on the download link and download the installer. After the download completes, go to the directory and double-click on the installer. Click Next on the welcome screen. Choose an installer directory with no spaces and make sure you can remember it because you'll need it later on the installation process. Optional targets require a license that can be purchased at www.mbdapps.com. These are not required for this tutorial. Now read the license agreement and accept the license if you agree to the terms. Wait for the installation to complete and click the Finish button. The help documentation should launch, so feel free to study to get familiar with the software. Okay, next step is to run the setup inside MATLAB. So open up a MATLAB session. Browse or change directory to the installation directory, then go inside the tools directory. From there, you will run the EGS setup command. You should see a confirmation that the EGS directory were added to the MATLAB path. And that's it for now. Those are the tools that we need. If you run into any issues, feel free to contact us at support@mbdapps.com. Thanks.